Well, good morning, everybody. It's me, Mitch, old guy in a drone, and I'm out here at the Palm Bay Regional Park this morning early, and doesn't appear to be anybody around. And I have brought a car full of airplanes and quads, and it's a gorgeous Sunday morning. Looks like we're going to do some flying out here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this little reptile here, and I'm going to fly it around the playground and the park there behind me, and the trees and this parking lot. It's a cinematic quad, so it should be able to slow it down nicely and weave in and out of things. So we'll see how well that goes. And when some of the other guys show up, we're going to go over to the bigger field, put the Cessna 170 together, and get a couple flights on it. So doesn't get any better than this, guys. So stick around.
Oh wait, I gotta take a look at that motorcycle battery real quick. Look at that fucking thing. It's like a gold brick.
All right, so.
And this weighs what? 22 pounds?
Helps if I turn the transmitter on. This weighs eight and a half pounds.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's good.
8.5 pounds.
That's great.
Oh, geez. Are you freaking kidding
Okay.
me?
So
Man?
I need to.
Look, it's got the, what do they call those?
Vortex generators.
The vortex generators in the wings, man.
All right. Do it again with the transmitter on this
See what
time.
direction they're in?
Yeah.
Six beeps and.
You're
I
red
should-
eye.
Okay, flaps. All right.
Oh, boy, that's...
Hey, Bill.
What?
Get out of the way, birds.
Are the flaps the surfaces that move on the inside or the outside of the wing?
No, the flaps are the inside.
This was a quiz.
Oh, it's a quiz.
I have no earthly idea.
Ailerons are on the outside. I did tell you the other day. That's the only reason why I asked.
All right. Where are the birds?
Ask you if you didn't know it.
My timer's running. Yep. Okay. See the lights on the wings?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You added those, right?
No, it actually came with it.
Nav and landing lights, right?
Oh, boy.
Look at that thing go.
Look at that.
I didn't know there was a rocket launch today.
Really?
It's right here.
Oh, my gosh.
For a big ass airplane, does pretty good.
Yeah, it does. Look at that thing upside down.
Look, it says eat at Joe's.
You could probably have a tail on that, huh?
Oh,
Put a little screamer on
it'd
it.
be sick if there was like smoke coming out of the exhaust.
You know?
Yeah, he can have that, eh?
Probably.
Looks like a real plane.
Fly it
real
over the
plane.
beach.
Yeah, it is, huh?
People be like, oh shit, that's Russia. They're gonna bomb us. They're like, is that thing really that small when they think it's a real plane on the beach?
Must be pretty far away.
What the fuck? Is it a drone? Honey, no, it's a plane. Keep rubbing that shit on my back.
Needs a little up trim in it. Okay.
What transmitter you got there?
This is a Radio Master T16.
Yeah, he's got that multi-protocol radio. It's got more protocols than the jumper does.
Well, this has got pretty much the same as the Jumper T16. I've got both of them.
Yeah, I've got the TS8G, which doesn't. That one's got the deviation TX, not the open TX.
Where are the birds? They still there?
Yeah, they're still on the ground. About the same
Bill
place.
already pissed him off.
There comes the
There we go.
loop. Nice.
Very nice. How much?
That's what you call getting serious about it, right?
Yeah.
Now, if the littlest plane we have here was up there flying next to it,
Yeah, it would look like a mosquito.
it would be perspective a lot.
5 minutes.
Transmitter whispering sweet nothings to you, or what?
Yeah.
Mitch, you fly so well.
Thank you.
That's what your transmitter was saying. But you do fly well.
Thank you.
You do fly really
Stand
well.
behind me just a little bit so you don't distract me out of the corner of my
Okay.
eye. Thank you.
Stand beside
Camera crew.
you. Does this have anything AS3X or anything?
It's
on it?
got a kind of like AS3X. It's called a Aura 8, and it gives stabilization, but it doesn't level the drone. It actually just the airplane, it just keeps it fairly straight. You know what I mean?
So it's not a gyro?
No. Well, it has gyros in it, but it's like more like the way a quad flies. In other words, it wants to just, if you bank it over, it wants to hold that bank. So what it does is it smooths out the wind and bumps and stuff like that. But as far as being stabilized flight,
Gotcha. Do you have a switch for that, or is it auto?
yeah, there's a switch. I can turn it on or off, but it flies beautifully with it on.
Oh, fuck
It's
yeah.
designed for that.
Did you have FPV? You have FPV on this too?
Oh no.
Wouldn't it be something as easy as just putting a
Oh, you could put it on there, but this is you know, I wouldn't want to fly this FPV. This is line of sight flying.
No, I don't mean like to watch or to fly it that way, but I mean like to video.
Oh, you could slap a little video camera like a GoPro on it or something like that. Yeah.
Even those little ones really suck.
But you know what? I got so much footage from drones there. In fact, having aerial footage really doesn't matter that much.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It matters to the other people that like to see your flight that way, but yeah, for me personally too, I'm kind of getting over it. I got as far as just like electronic image stabilization and 3-axis gimbals, but never got into 4 or never got into the really expensive cameras. I was happy with just what I had, considering what I started with, like a $40 Holy Stone camera that 720 that, you know, shakes all over the place.
Now I got half flaps in it right now.
Is that a switch or a button?
A switch. Yeah, I got a switch set up on the radio.
Like 3-position flaps.
I think it's just on or off. Oh, did he
No,
say
I have
that?
3 positions: centered, all the way down, and all the way up.
Normal up and
Then
down.
how do you have to have a multi-switch? How do you do that to go?
It's got a 3-position switch.
Position switch.
So it's just like with us with the 0, 1, and 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The one position is like it's level.
Have you done it in all 3? I mean,
Yeah.
Have you landed it in all 3?
No, this is only like the 5th flight that I've flown this thing. So
Oh, really?
yeah.
Still a newbie.
Why is that? Have you not had it?
Well, I haven't had it that long. I bought it from Jeff.
From one of the guys. Right.
Damn, I wish I'd have videotaped this. Fuck.
That's a beautiful.
You got one more round in your battery? You don't want it to tape it.
Look at the birds. The birds are standing there at attention watching it.
Incredible, isn't it?
Keeping an eye on it.